Look, watch where you're going. You're gonna crash into your other bike.
Crash.
Do you have insurance for that, sir?
Yeah.
You do? Where's your insurance card? I'm the police.
Are you tired?
Careful.
You're gonna go flying.
Back up. You want to ride in the grass? Is that what you're trying to do? You can ride in the grass.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I can't. It's not working.
No, it's too hard. It's okay. Alright, get up.